Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen, and I am here in the parking lot at Rite Aid. And boy, do I have some deals for you guys today. The deals we're going to get today are not your ordinary deals, they are deals that we normally don't coupon for. So there's some great savings for you. I didn't do the normal deals that people are doing for Rite Aid. I basically got the different deals and coupon for things that I personally need right now. And it just so happened that Rite Aid is having a sale on them and giving back bonus cash. So I was able to do them. So what we're going to do, guys, we're going to take advantage of a bunch of double dip deals, and we're going to take advantage of the $10 off 50 coupon. But until then, before we get started, I need you to do me a huge favor. I need you to give me a thumbs up. I need you to like this video. If you see something that you're going to do, a deal you're going to do, I need you to comment below. If you've already done the deal, let me know how you've done it. If you don't have the $10 off 50 coupon, here it is. You can either screenshot this coupon, send it, show it to your cashier, or go on the website and print it, or show it from the Rite Aid app. But guys, let's go ahead and let's get ready to save. So our first deal we're going to do is on the Duracell batteries, and this is in reference to one of the double dip deals that I was referring to. The deal for the weekly deal is buy two and get $3 back in bonus cash. And then the monthly deal, which I believe you can do 4 times, is spend $30 and get $10 back in bonus cash. Now, this store isn't tagged, so I can't show you the tags, but that is how the deals go. Unfortunately, I'm not sure when the monthly deal ends. I believe it ends this week though. So I'm going to grab 2 of the double A's and I'm going to grab 2 of the triple A's. So that's going to give me a total of 4. Each one of these are $17.99. So although I'm buying 4, I'm only going to pay for 2. Excuse me, they're $17.49. So that's going to bring me to a total of $35. I'm going to put this one back because I'm going to get all the same, just so that there's no confusion with the UPC codes or anything like that. So I'm going to get a total of 4, but I'm only going to pay for 2. But that's going to allow me to double dip with the weekly deal. So I should get $6 back for the weekly deal because I'm doing that twice. And then I should get $10 back for the monthly deal because I'm spending well over $30. I'm actually spending a total of $35. And then I'm going to submit to checkout 51. If you haven't downloaded that, please do so, because I'm going to get $1 back for each one of these packs. So that'll be a total of $4 that I'm going to get back from checkout 51 for purchasing the battery. So make sure you download checkout 51. Our next deal is going to be on the Conair products. They are actually on their regular price, but if you have a gold discount, you can get 20% off. And as you can see, I'm showing you all the different products. They have a nice selection, but they're when you purchase one, you get $5 back in bonus cash. I am going to go ahead and get the cheapest one. You know, I always go the cheapest route. I don't need any blow dryers, but I can give this as a gift. I'm going to get this one for $13.99, get 20% off of this. And I'm going to get $5 back in bonus cash for that. Now, I'm not quite at the $50, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab some of these clearance chapsticks, some clearance Nivea chapstick, as well as, I don't think I'm going to get any of the Bliss sticks. But these are all 75% off, so make sure that when you go into Rite Aid, you're checking your clearance. As you can see, this one is a 3-pack for $1.25. The Bliss sticks is 75 cents. The Nivea is 87 cents. And then the single chapsticks are 50 cents. And as you can see, there's different flavors. So I'm going to grab one of these. I'm going to grab 2 of the Nivea because that's all they have of that. And I'm going to grab a couple of the regular single chapsticks. And that will bring me to my $50. So we're going to head up to the register and see what all we have. So we're going to get the blow dryer, the 4 packs of Duracell batteries, and all of the chapsticks. At the end, I will show you all the UPCs for the chapsticks so that you can make sure that you grab the right ones, because they may be on clearance in your store and it's just not marked. So I want to make sure that you do pick up the correct ones. So with the blow dryer, I'm going to get back $5 in bonus cash. Then with the batteries, I'm going to get back a total of $16 in bonus cash. So that'll be a total of $21 in bonus cash. So I will review the receipt with you at the end. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and we're going to do a second transaction and use the same coupon. If your cashier takes your coupon, just simply get another coupon off of the website or off of the app and continue shopping. Okay, guys, so the first item that we're going to get for our second transaction is on the Brawny paper towels. They are actually the 6 rolls equals 9, and they're on sale. Buy one, get one free. They're $10.99. Because they are buy one, get one free, you cannot use your gold or silver discount. So we're going to grab 2 of these, put 2 in our cart, and that means, oh God, I'm knocking stuff over. Hold on. So that means we're going to add $10.99 to our total to get to our $50 so that we can use the $10 off $50 coupon. And guys, although we're getting 2 of the Brawny, they're buy one get one free. I don't have any paper coupons for them, but I do have the Rite Aid app. Dollar load to card coupon that I'm going to use to bring those down just a little lower. $10 off $50. Now our next deal that we're going to do is a double dip that I talked about earlier. And what it is on the Vaseline lotion. They are actually on sale. They're buy one get one half off. So and there's 2 different promotions. So the weekly promotion is buy one, and then when you get one, 50% off. The second one should bring up at like $3.89. Buy 2 of them. But then there's the monthly long deal that's going on, which is $2 in bonus cash. Now you see there's 2 different tags there. And that deal it's not a double dip. So August you will only be able to get $2 when you buy and you can do 2. That so I'm going to actually grab 4 of these, and you can get all the different flavors. You don't have to get the 2 of these Cocoa Radiant that I'm grabbing. But I'm going to grab 2 of the Cocoa Radiants. I'm also going to grab 1 of so that's going to be a total of 4 lotions that I'm going to get. One of so that means that I'm going to take advantage of this 4 that I'm deal 2 times, and I'm going to take advantage of back in bonus the monthly cash. Deal. I'm going to pay $7.79 for 2 of them, and then I'm going to pay $3.89. And then I'm going to use 2 of these coupons. I'm going to use 2. They don't expire until September 25th. They came out last paper, Sunday, I believe. Your save insert, and about it's $2. And it's $2.50 off of 2. Okay, so we're going to pick up 4 of these lotions. 2 of them we're going to pay $7.79 for, and 2 we're going to pay half price. This is going to of $3.89. So that's going to be a total bonus cash. So that's going to be a total of $23.37 for the lotion is going to bring up at the register. But then don't forget that we have $5 off. So that's going to bring that down to $18.36. And then we're going to get back $8 total of bonus cash. So that's going to be like about $10.50 for 4 things of the big Vaseline lotion. So we're getting closer to our $50. So let's keep moving. Okay, alrighty guys, so our last item that we're going to pick up is the Irish Spring Body Wash, and this is a double dip. Now just be mindful guys that this next deal that I'm going to show you is for the body wash and the body wash only. It is not going to work on the soap, okay? So here we go. The body wash is on sale for $3.99. There is an in-ad coupon that you can either get the ad out the newspaper, but remember the double dip only works with the body wash in the store. So you're going to need but here is the ad, and here is the coupon.
To get the $2
so
off,
it is $3.99 for the soap, and then you have a $2 in-ad coupon that you must give the cashier, which will bring this down to $1.99. Now in the ad it says that it's limit 1 per customer. So, but everyone's Rite Aid is different. Like my Rite Aid will let me do 4, which is what I'm going to use to max out this deal that I'm going to explain to you. But you know, I can't guarantee you that your Rite Aid is going to let you use 4. Everyone's Rite Aid is different, and everyone's cashier is different. But this is how the deal works, guys. So there's $3.99.
Grab those 4, and then
you're going to use the in-store ad coupon
is when you buy 2
to get $2 off.
You get $2
but then
in
the
bonus
weekly
cash. So you
special
is that is the
if
weekly
you
deal here.
Buy
on
2,
this tag.
you get $2 in bonus cash. So of course I want to buy 2. Now I'm looking for the tag because there's also a month-long deal,
and then the
where
monthly
you buy
deal
2
is also
and
buy
you
2 get 2. You
$2
see, I'm looking here because I don't see it tagged. But please,
I don't see any of them tagged.
Trust and believe
but
me
it definitely is working.
And
then here is a $1 off coupon that came in today's paper, so you can use one of these. So
Sunday,
for each
and you get $1
one
off
that you
for
grab,
each body wash. So that
one
means
of
we're
these
only going to end up
one of
paying
these.
$1
So I'm actually
going to
grab 4 of these because I'm going to max out the weekly deal
and then we will
the month-long deal.
Our bonus cash.
Actually, the month-long deal, I believe it's like a 2-month-long deal. I think it is, but I'm just going to grab 4. And
that
you
is
have
with
to
the
grab
double dip for the monthly and the double dip for
so I'm gonna give the cashier 4 of these
you need an
and 4 of
coupon
these, and I should get back
store
$8
manufacturer coupon for each one that you buy.
Okay, guys, so I'm back at home. This is everything that we end up getting. So I'm going to show the 2 receipts, go over our final numbers so that you can see what our total out-of-pocket really came out to be. Okay, guys, so I'm back at home. Here's the receipt for our first transaction. So there are there's the Butterfinger. That's the very last thing I rang up. I didn't show that in the video, but I needed to get that in order to be at my $50 before taxes so that the $10 coupon would ring up. So please make sure that you are at $50 before taxes, okay? So there's the Butterfinger that was on sale for 88 cents. I'm going to submit that to Ibotta and get a 25-cent rebate on that. Plus, I have any receipt rebate that I'm going to also redeem. So that'll be a total of 50 cents that I'll be getting back from Ibotta. The next are the body wash. You see they're $3.99 minus the $1 manufacturer coupon, minus the $2 in-ad coupon. And you can see as we go down, there's a total of 4 of those. Okay, next is the Vaseline Intensive Care Lotion. Remember, they were buy one, get one half off. So there's one for $7.79. There's the manufacturer coupon of $2.50 that came off. The coupon was buy 2, get $2.50 off. So they just took the $2.50 off of one. There's my $10 off the 50 coupon. There's the other Vaseline lotion, which is the one that I'm getting for half off. There's another Vaseline lotion, which is full price. And then there's the $2.50 coupon off of it. There's the other one for half off. There are the Brawnies, the one for $10.99. And then my dollar load, the coupon came off of that. And then the other Bounty was free because remember the Bounty were on sale for buy one, get one free. So my total after the coupons was $23.19. Remember, guys, we do not include tax because tax is different from every state, city, township, borough, or whatever. So I paid $23.19, but then you see I got back $12 in bonus cash, and that $12 in bonus cash is from the lotion as well as the double dip on the body wash. So let's go over how that broke down. So do you see there I got $2 for the lotion because the deal was buy 2 get 2, so I got a total of 4. So you can see I got that twice. That's the first and the second. And then you see I have the Irish Spring $2, Irish Spring $2, Irish Spring $2, and Irish Spring $2. So you can see I got the $8 back for the Irish Spring, and you see down here it says my offer limit has been reached. So that's a total of $12 in bonus cash that I got. So let's figure out the out of pocket. So I paid $23.19. If you want to deduct the $12 in bonus cash that I got, and then the 50 cents back from Ibotta, that would give me a $10.69 out of pocket, which is excellent. So that's like paying for one of the paper towels and getting all of the lotion, all of the body wash, and the other paper towel for free. So that is our first transaction. Okay, this is our receipt for our second transaction, where we got all of the chapstick and the Duracell batteries. So here we have the chapstick that was on clearance, regularly $3.70, comes down to $1.25. And I will show you that UPC so that you can make sure you get the correct one. So that is this chapstick. Okay, and here is the UPC for that, to make sure you get the correct one. I'm going to show you all the UPCs, and then we have next we have the cherry chapstick, and we got 2 of those for 50 cents. So that's that one. It comes in 2 different packaging, so that's why I'm going to show you both of these. So you see that one ends in 127. And then here is the other one. And that also ends in 127. It's just that if you see the packaging, see one is taller than the other, but it looks like the UPCs are the same. So those were 50 cents each. And then here is the other chapstick. Okay, and here is the UPC for that. Okay. And then we have the Nivea, which were 87 cents. And those are the same. So I'm just going to show those to you once, even though we got 2. And here is the UPC for that one. Okay, so those were all the first things on the receipt. And then next we have the Conair blow dryer. That was regularly $13.99. With the gold discount, it comes down to $11.19. And then next are the 4 packs of Duracell batteries. And remember, they were buy one, get one free. So that's why you see one ringing up at $17.99. The next was the $10 coupon that came off. The next one was the free battery. Then the pack of batteries for $17.99. And then the next one was the free one. So the total was $41.16 for the total of 12 items. I did get back to $21 in bonus cash, and how we got to that is, again, it was the double dip. So the weekly promo for the batteries was buy one, get one free, but then when you bought 2, you got $3 in bonus cash. So, you know, I bought a total of 4. So here's the $3 for 2, the $3 for 2. And then there is the $5 in bonus cash for the Conair. And as you can see, I did spend over $30 in the Duracell battery. So that's why this is here, because I could still do that deal again. And then the monthly deal is spend $30 on the Duracell batteries and get $10 back. So that's how I got that $10. So all of that totals to $21. And then I also got back $4 from Checkout 51. Please download Checkout 51. With the batteries, you get $1 back per pack, and you can get up to 5. You can redeem it for up to 5 packs. So when you minus the $21 I got back for the bonus reward, the bonus cash, and the $4 from Checkout 51, take all of that from the $41.16 I paid out of pocket. That leaves me an out of pocket of just $16.16. So that is actually like paying, not even paying for 1 pack of batteries and getting everything else for free. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, for watching my video. Please give me a thumbs up if you like any of these deals or you're going out to get them. And comment below if there's deals that I missed that you think I could have gotten a better deal on. But as always, I thank you guys for watching my channel. I thank you guys for encouraging me to continue on. And as always, keep on saving.